Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We take a look at this coach model HC8207 in color code 553113. It's a dark honey color frame. On the temples here, we have a gold Coach emblem. And at the temple tip, we have a gold Coach logo. This is the inside of the frame. The other side of the temple is the same. The lenses are a brown gradient color, and the top left lens, we have a Coach logo engraved. The style of the frame is fashion round. Up here we have a Coach case to put your glasses in and a microfiber cleaning cloth.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.